Hi guys, I just got 2 cups of tap water from my tap and I'm going to use this chlorine tester and test if there's any chlorine in my water. I'm going to put 5 drops, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of chlorine testing liquid in the right cup, and I'm going to give it a little bit shaky. As you can see, the chlorine already starts showing, right? And it's quite strong. The cup on the left, I'm not going to drop anything first now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hand in there. What we're going to test is to see how fast your skin can absorb chlorine. Okay, give me about 1 to 2 minutes. Now what we're going to show today is that to show you what are you doing to yourself, to your body, to your organs, to your hair, to your scalp when you're having even just a 5-10 minute shower. Hot shower could be worse because shower has chlorine. Check your area. Most tap water will have to have chlorine. You know, for safety, the government put it in there in case there's any serious bacteria, but it's also very harmful to our body, right? A 5-10 minute shower or a hot bath. Wow, imagine, especially hot bath where hot steam, vaporized chlorine is even more harmful, as your body will absorb 50% more. Why? Because your pores open up. It is now what? It just goes straight into your cells, into your hair follicles, into your scalp, right? And that's why people have more dry skin, agitated scalp, brittle hair. So I'm going to soak this for a couple more minutes. I think it's about 1 minute now. I'm going to drop my chlorine test now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Can you see I'm going to shake it and there is no chlorine? What happened? My skin, just this small surface area have absorbed all the chlorines from this bit of tap water. What if you are bathing your baby? What if you are, just having a shower and you decide to have a bath? Watching this, won't you want to think twice and get your ANESPA like me?